to anyone out there who are seeking for to learning English, I definitely recommend AI. Good afternoon, my name is Tâm Danin. I'm 16 years old and I started GEP program in 2022 and I just graduated this year, so it's been around 2 to 3 years now. I would say the time when I did the role play, it was the first time I ever acted in front of the audience, and I can still remember how excited we were backstage and the time when we were preparing for the performance. The activity that helped me is that when I was chosen to be the MC, because since then I kept wanting to do it more and more, and I have seen the improvement in my speaking skill, and also it helped me to face the fear of being in front of the crowd too. They are honestly great. The environment here are cozy and clean, and the teachers here are very supportive. My classmates are very friendly and we get along very well too. With the general English program in AI, I have learned the speaking skills. Right now it became one of my strongest skills, and I apply it to my personal growth and also in academic growth. I can use that skill to join contests, to join the international exchange program, and I think it has helped me a lot with communicating with foreigners and also with my international friends. The changes I see in myself would be the confidence. Because the difference is very big, because before I was just a quiet student with potential, but I was scared to speak up, to communicate with people. But right now I would confidently go and talk to foreigners, and also I try to join more and more competitions. So to anyone out there who are seeking for to learning English, I definitely recommend AI, because it wasn't just a place to learn English, but you get to make memories and with teachers, with friends, and also trust me, you won't regret it. You will be proud of yourself once you finish here.